Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the crochet granny spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have made a little test swatch here using several different colors so you can see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have all the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. To begin my test swatch, I made chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I initially made 21 chains. I then added 2, totaling to 23. I then worked 2 double crochet into the third chain from my hook. I made a chain 1, then I skipped 2 chains down here, worked 3 double crochet into 1 chain, chain 1, skipped 2 chains, worked 3 double crochet into the next chain, and then I repeated that until the very end where I ended with 3 double crochet into the last chain of my row. Then for the next row, I made 4 chains, which makes an open space to work your blocks into. I then worked a granny spike block into the open space made right here from this chain and skipping these 2. The granny spike block is made up of 1 regular double crochet worked into the open space, 1 spike double crochet, which is worked into a previous chain, or right here you can see it's worked into the top of this stitch, and then a regular double crochet into that same open space that we had made. You then chain 1 and work one of those blocks into every open space till the very end. To make an open space over here at the end of your row, you're going to make a chain 1, then work 1 double crochet into the last stitch over here. Then for this row, we had made an open space using that chain 1, right? You would then chain 3, and throughout the pattern, a chain 3 is going to count as 1 double crochet. So that counts as 1 double crochet. I'd then do a spike double crochet and then a regular double crochet. Chain 1, you skip over this block completely, work a spike stitch. Chain 1, work your granny block, chain 1, work your granny block until the very end. And then we made an open space on this second row right here, so you'd work a granny block. This is where it would repeat. You're going to basically repeat the second and third row for your desired length of your project. Okay? This row we would do the chain 4, work a granny block, chain 1, granny block, repeat. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I would continue on this row right here. And I'm going to have my tutorial for the granny stripe stitch listed down below. They're basically the exact same tutorial. The only added thing to make this one is this spike stitch right here. So they're basically the same thing. If you're confused, you can go watch that video. You know, I'm going to try and explain it the best I can in this one, but just in case, I do have that one as well. So like I said, I have 3 chains over here and they are going to count as 1 double crochet. So I have an open space. So I know that in any open space, I'm going to have to work a granny block, right? So I have made 1 double crochet. I'm going to make my spike granny stitch next. So I'm going to work that into the top of this previous one right here. You can see they're all connected because you're going to work into the top of it. You're going to work 1 regular double crochet. And that's how that's going to look. I'm then going to work a regular double crochet right here into the open space. And that's going to be 1 granny spike block made. You're going to chain 1. You're going to skip this block right here completely. You're never going to work into any of the blocks unless you're making that spike. So you're going to work into the open space. You're going to work 1 double crochet. And I'm going to work a spike into the top of this previous one right here. Just 1 regular double crochet. Then work a regular double crochet into this space right here, this open space. Okay, all in the same spot. So again, chain 1, skipping over this, working into this open space, 1 regular double crochet, 1 spike into the top of this one right here, then 1 regular double crochet. Chain 1, again 1 regular double crochet, 1 spike into the top of this one, so you're just going to do a regular double crochet into the top of that previous one. You can see they all connect. 1 double crochet into that same open space. Chain 1, skip over this entirely, make 1 double crochet into the open space, make one granny spike into this stitch right here, into the top of it. Just one regular double crochet. Then one regular double crochet into this open space. Chain one. We left an open space, so we're going to work into it. Work one double crochet, one spike into the top of this previous double crochet, then one regular double crochet into that open space. So in the next row, if you were continuing, you would make 4 chains to go over this to make an open space that you would then work into that next row. Then you would start working the same spike stitches, you know, the double crochet, spike, double crochet, all into these open spaces. You would only chain 1 in between each of them. So that is going to be how to make the granny spike stitch. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please leave me any feedback in the comments. Please let me know any tutorials, videos, patterns you want to see in the future. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.